This next scenario, we're going to be doing the inadvertent flight into icing. I've already reviewed the pre-briefing on that. You can check that out on the web page, and I've initialized the position. So I'm going to go ahead and start this lesson.
In this lesson, I will evaluate your response to a severe icing encounter. It is recommended that you review the emergency procedures in the pilot's operating handbook or flight operations manual.
Move this off to the side.
Position your aircraft at 7,000 feet MSL or above and in level cruise flight with the auto.
Currently at 7,000.
Good. It looks like you are high enough.
And the scenario is running.
And training exercise.
I'm guessing our autopilot is not engaged right now. Whoa. Okay, it is snowing outside. I'm watching my airspeed, trying to maintain. All right, notice how my airspeed is dropping off. It was at 120. Yep, didn't turn on the pitot heat. I did that on purpose. And watch now when I turn on that pitot heat right there. Airspeed just came back. And still able to maintain altitude. The airspeed is still dropping though. And that's because I'm accumulating a lot of ice on the wings. And the autopilot is trying to adjust for that with trim. So now I'm descending like crazy because I can't maintain any more airspeed. So I'm now in a dive and it's really sluggish on the controls. I really don't have much control at all. You can see I'm just trying my best. I'm losing a lot of altitude, pitching over. I'm going to show you what happens when I turn that pitot heat back off again. Okay, pitot heat is now off. Now all that's doing there is heating up the pitot-static port, and it's giving me a true
Nice job. Scenario complete.
All right, so I've wrapped up that scenario, and basically it just taught me a lot about what can happen with the aerodynamics of the airplane.